Good morning. Thank you for all the questions that have been coming in. Another question from a very worried mum asking me, how can I help my child? My child has failed in 4 subjects and he's even lying to me. So I know it is a very, very grave situation. So my points for today, the first one is look at grades as feedback, not only for yourself, but make your child understand that grades are not a label for him as a failure or somebody who's excellent. Look at grades as feedback on how well he has understood a subject or whether he needs more help with regard to the subject. So failure, doing well, doing averagely is feedback with regard to the subject. The second point is, please understand before you make your child understand it is not the end of the world. I know it is tough because we put a lot of importance on academic achievement for our children, but you have to understand that it is not the end of the world for your child and he or she will get through this. The third point is, a lot of parents come to me complaining about the teachers, the systems of the school, the way their children are taught, and in some cases it is true and in some cases it might not be true. But in either of the cases, what we have to understand is these children are going to grow up and move from school where we are supervising them to college where they're going to be independent and on their own. And it is in times like that that they will need to fall back on their own resourcefulness. So it's very, very important to teach the children that you might not have the best teacher, you might not have the best systems, but you have the best system to follow, and that is you. Go to the library, go onto the internet, figure out how something is done, ask another parent for help, go to a professional, go to a tutor, do whatever it needs to be done to be successful. So teach your child his own resourcefulness rather than going to the school, going to the teacher and fighting it out about the grades and getting them to change the grades or do something else, because then your child is going to learn that my parents are more powerful and I don't need to be responsible for myself and my grades. So do remember that that is not a lesson you want them to learn. And the second part of the question about his lying, what you need to do as a parent is to make him realize the consequences of his lying. He has failed 4 subjects and he's lied to you. So he's obviously not in the best of situations. So he has to understand that he needs to be more responsible and rather than lie, because that's not got him into a good place. The next thing is, as a parent, sit him down and try and find out what are the reasons for your child to lie to you. Why has he hidden the fact that he does not know something with regard to his subject? What's going on behind the scenes, behind in his mind? What are his thinking process? Why is he not feeling safe enough to come to you as a parent to talk to you? So that would address the lying component. And the last point is, parents understand that if your child has failed or has not done well, allow him to feel that discomfort. Allow him to feel the frustration, the sadness, the angst. Because when he feels that discomfort, he is going to be able to create coping mechanisms that are going to help him in future. Because life is not hunky-dory and there's going to be downfalls and pitfalls, and it's best that through these small failures he learns to develop some very, very important life skills and coping skills. So I hope that helps to answer your question with regard to your child who has failed and has even lied to you. So the 6 points for today are: the first one, think of his grades as feedback. The second, it is not the end of the world. And the third is, please do not go to the teacher. Make your child understand that whatever the systems or the way of teaching in the school might be, he has to be resourceful to learn his own ways. The fourth point is the consequences of lying. He's not in a good spot. The fifth point is, as a parent, understand why your child is lying to you. what is the reason for his behavior, and be careful that this lying is not percolating to other areas of his life. And the sixth point is failure and disappointments help your child to develop extremely important coping life skills. So allow him to feel that pain, that anguish, so that he develops those skills. I hope that helps you. I look forward to receiving more such questions on sunaynaAthena@gmail.com. Do remember that I offer a fabulous youth coaching program of 10 weeks, 1 hour a week for your child, where I help children resolve issues like low self-confidence, lack of concentration and focus, poor time management skills, poor communication skills. You can go on to my Facebook page, Athena Coaching Solutions, for testimonials from parents and children. I look forward to serving you. Take care then. Bye.